Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be installing a side door cup holder, and I've got a special helper here. This is my neighbor, and he's going to be helping me install this. I'm going to show him how to do the install, and he's going to be doing the install himself. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right, let's get it started. So open it and then show us what is inside. So what do you get? So that is the cup holder, right?
And then, like,
those are the brackets. So we're going to be installing this on the side there. And then they send you a wrench.
Send you a wrench and
then the screw that we're gonna put in. And I think that's it, right? Now let's look at this closely. So I'll show you how this actually works. Let's open that. You see how this is really nice and shiny. This is carbon fiber, okay? That's used for this is a strong material, lightweight, that's used in auto body. And then, so you see this right there?
Yeah.
This thing that has the bracket is just going to go here.
Okay.
You see how easy it is? And then we're just going to slide it. And then we just insert this into the car, but first we gotta remove this. It's really cool that they sent us red and the black, huh? So we could see the color. And what do you think? Which one do you like more?
Black.
Black one? Okay, that's great. My favorite is red, so this is mine, but looks like you like this one, huh? Awesome. Let's go ahead and install. The product was sent to us free of charge by Pimp My EV. This is their listing. I'll show you how you can save a little bit of money in this, and I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it or not. But Pimp My EV is our to-go place for all custom products. They have got so much custom products. If you look at it here, they have got custom emblems. We've reviewed a lot of them in the past, and then we're going to be reviewing a custom yoke from them here for the Model 3 Highland soon. But you can get this for all Teslas, Model 3, Model Y. I believe it's the same size on the door panel. So if you were to take this to cart here and we go to checkout, right here in the checkout page, if you put a discount code Shiva Tesla, so SHIVA-TESLA, you're gonna be able to get like $22 off. Looks like $127.49. Again, I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it or not, but let me show you how to do the install and what it looks like. This is an affiliate code, so we do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Let's continue. All right, so we're gonna be installing this on this guy right here, okay? Because there is no rear cup holder unless you fold that, and if there's 3 people here, they don't have the cup holder, right? So let's give them some cup holders here on one side and the other side, and you're gonna be installing this. So what you're gonna do is take that wrench, and if you look down there, you're gonna see a little screw. You see that? Now you are going to, again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so you wanna go left to your left, there you go. So you can take out that screw completely. You need to get a grip off it, hold it, and then turn it. Are you good?
Yeah.
Oh, you broke that loose, huh? That's good. You got it? Let me see. Yeah, that's a long screw, huh? So now we are going to be putting the new system in there. So as I explained earlier, so you put, how do you think that goes? I think it's the other way, huh? Yeah, there you go. Does it match? Did it align? Yeah, there you go. Now, you're gonna take the screw from that Ziploc bag, which is right here. So, you're gonna remove that screw from the Ziploc bag and then simply insert it. You got it. There you go. You know where that screw goes, right? There you go.
This way.
Ooh, that's a smart idea. You first insert it. Now you can even put the tool in there first. So that doesn't happen.
Where'd it go?
Okay. I think it fell in the floor. Oh, is it there? Okay, so you see how you can put the tool? Yeah.
Oh.
That way.
Oh.
No, you're good. Are you okay?
This thing's so small.
I know. There you go. Awesome. Wow, good job. So you just install it. Yep, it's gonna take a little while, but that will go in and it'll align itself. Almost got it. Here we go. How's that? Tight?
Good.
Give it a little bit of wiggle here. You're good, right?
Now
Do you know the final step? So you just align that and then push it down. Hold on to the bracket. Hold on to the bracket too. There you go. So you push that one a little bit more. There you go. I think you're good. You're good. Good job. I think that's good. Now pick up that water bottle and put it in. Let's see. That is amazing. Good job. Just like that. You did the install. Do you think you can do this on your own on the next side then?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and try that. Right, side number 2 there. Good job. You know where to put that. No, right is tight. Lefty is loosey, so always left is to loosen, okay? Yeah, you got that one. That's amazing. Let's go ahead and install it. Perfect, you got that. Now you need to start the screw. There you go. Yep, you're good. Want me to
There
hold
we
this
go.
part?
I got it.
Oh, okay. There you go. Now you know, like you have to look through underneath and make sure that you're putting it on that space there. I think you are, and good job on going right this time because that's how you can tighten the screw. That's great. I think this is pretty strong, huh? Let's do the final part. There you go. Put that on the bracket. You have to hold on to the bracket. Don't push it. There you go.
There we go.
Otherwise, this will just fall. Now put the water bottle. Yay! Good job. So that's how simple it is to get this installed.
Question.
Okay.
Do you think when you're walking in, getting in the car seat really fast, do you think you might hurt yourself if you get hurt, if you walk and hit the cup holder too hard?
Yep, that's a valid point, and that happens. Like on my other car that I had it installed, if somebody is not paying attention, you could really knock that out, right? Like it's more of that. So yeah, you gotta be careful because now you got an extra obstruction on the way. It does provide value, you know. You have an additional cup holder, but that is a risk that you will have coming in. You have to be careful with that. Try Stanley here. It fits, right?
Yeah.
How strong do you think that is, though?
Not that strong.
Not that strong? Okay, so you wouldn't trust it to hold,
No.
a lot of liquid in there, right?
No.
Okay, good to know, good to know. Yeah, it does shake a little bit with big Stanley cups, but like water bottle, you're fine? Yeah. So a small water bottle, like milk bottles or Coke, you're gonna be fine, but bigger things like this may not be, with the weight here, right? Awesome. So a giant cup like this, it does work, but be careful it doesn't tip over or anything. It does, move a little bit because, this is very heavy. So I would probably not put big cups like that in there, but a smaller, coffee cups, they're totally fine. It fits good and it snugs. It's so long, you should look at it. This is very tall, so it provides that support. With the bigger ones like that, because the bottom part is smaller there, it only goes to up to certain length. That's why it's shaking, but this one fits all the way through. So that does work. And then of course, water bottles, there you go. So overall, it does fit, it does work. I wouldn't put, heavy drinks.
The only thing that I don't like about this is that it affects the speaker when it comes through.
I don't think it's gonna affect
music.
the sound too much, but that's a valid point. Right there, it is on the way, so you'll be able to
Yeah.
see it. You think overall, does it add value to the car?
I think so.
Yeah, how so?
That it matches the color of the car
Okay.
and it just looks good.
So overall, good or bad? You're
Good.
Good. So the good, there's more good than bad, you would say, or there's more bad than good?
Good. More
There's-
good than.
Okay. So overall, you would still rate it?
Yeah.
Good? Okay, good. So our installer here gives it a thumbs up. This is what it looks like. What do you all think about this product? Would you get it for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and would like to see more videos like this in the future, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.